Hi everyone, let's start doing chapter review. This is from textbook Pure Mathematics 1. Alright, so for chapter review, question number 1, we have a y cubed into y to the power of 5. Now this is a question which is base and index and the bases are multiplied. So the rule is when the bases are multiplied, powers are added and the bases have to be the same. So y and y, same base. So when powers add, we get y to the power of 8. Question B, 3x squared multiplied by 2x to the power of 5. So we have the numbers 3 and 2 being multiplied. So 3 into 2 is 6. Once again, we have the bases x and x. So the same bases are multiplied. So the powers will be added. X to the power of 2 plus 5, 7. Question C, we have 4x squared all cubed divided by 2x to the power of 5. Now first we need to solve the cube or the power here because this is for the entire bracket. So 4 cube is 64 and bracket in the bracket the power and outside the bracket power will multiply by the power rule. So we have x to the power of 2 into 3, which is x to the power of 6. This is divided by 2x to the power of 5. Now 64 divided by 2 gives us 32. And x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 5. When bases are the same and they are divided, powers are subtracted. So 6 minus 5 gives us 1. We can write it as 32x. Question D, 4b squared into 3b cubed multiplied by 4 to the power of b to the power of 4. This is b to the power of 4. So 4 into 3, the numbers multiplied to give us 12. B squared into b cubed. So bases are all the same. B and b. So the powers will add 3 and 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So b to the power of 9. That was question number 1. Question number 2 is expand and simplify. So we need to expand and then simplify as well, which means we need to add up the like terms. So expand and simplify. Question A, we have x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 5. So x times x gives us x squared. X times negative 5 gives us negative 5x. 3 times x gives us 3x. And 3 times negative 5 gives us negative 5. 3 times negative 5 gives us negative 15. We can simplify. Now we multiplied. And now we will simplify by adding up the like terms. We have minus 5x plus 3x. So that simplifies to give us x squared minus 2x minus 15. And that's the answer. Next question, question B. We have 2x minus 7 into 3x plus 1. So 2x into 3x gives us 6x squared. And then 2x into 1 gives us 2x. Negative 7 into 3x gives us negative 21x. And negative 7 into 1 gives us negative 7. We can add up the like terms. 2x minus 21x. So we have 6x squared. Negative 21 plus 2 gives us 19. 19 minus 19x minus 7. And that's the answer for question B. Question C, we have 2x plus 5 and into 3x minus y plus 2. So we have two brackets to multiply and one of them has 2 terms and the other has 3 terms. So first we will multiply 2 into 3 with the x's, so 6x squared, and then 2 into negative y, 2x into negative y gives us minus 2xy, and then 2x into positive 2 gives us 4 x. Then 5 3s are 15 x, and then 5 into negative y minus 5y, and 5 into 2 is 10. If we look for like terms, we don't observe any like terms here. We have yx, x, okay, we have x. So 4x and 15x can be added. So our final answer can be 6x squared minus 2xy. 4 and 15 give us 19x minus 5y plus 10. Let's move on to question number 3. Question 3 is expand and simplify if possible. So expand and simplify, but if simplification is possible, then only we will simplify. Question A, x into x plus 4 into x minus 1. So x into x plus 4, we have x squared plus 4x. Now we multiply this with x minus 1. So x squared into x gives us x cubed. X squared into negative 1 gives us negative x squared. 4x into x gives us 4x squared. And 4x into negative 1 gives us minus 4x. We can add up the like terms, minus x squared and plus 4x squared. So we get x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x. Moving on to B, we have x plus 2, x minus 3, and x plus 7. So x into x gives us x squared. X into negative 3 gives us negative 3x. 2 into x gives us 2x. And 2 into negative 3 gives us negative 6. We can simplify this before multiplying. So we can add up the like terms. We have x squared minus x minus 6 multiplied by x plus 7. So x squared into x gives us x cubed. X squared into 7, 7x squared. Then minus x into x gives us minus x squared. Minus x into 7 gives us minus 7x. And minus 6 into x gives us minus 6x. Minus 6 into 7 gives us minus 42. We can see if we have like terms, 7x squared minus x squared, and we have minus 7x minus 6x. So x cubed plus 6x squared minus 7 minus 6 gives us minus 13x minus 42. And that is the answer for B. Let's move on to C. In question C, we have 2x plus 3 into x minus 2 into 3x minus 1. We can first multiply the first two brackets. 2x into x gives us 2x cubed, 2x squared. 2x into negative 2 gives us minus 4x. 3 into x, 3x. And 3 into negative 2, minus 6. We can write the second bracket as it is. We will add up the like terms in the first bracket. To simplify, 2x squared minus x minus 6 into 3x minus 1. Now, first term with the first term, 2x squared into 3x, 6x squared. First term with the last term, so 2x squared into negative 1 minus 2x squared. Then minus x, which is the second term, with 3x gives us minus 3x squared. The first term is 2x squared into 3x, which is 6x cubed, okay? Yeah, so we have minus x into minus 1 is minus 3, and minus x into minus 1 is plus x. And then lastly, we have the last term from the first bracket. Minus 6 into 3 gives us minus 18x. Minus 6 into minus 1 gives us plus 6. We can add up the like terms. We have x squared and x squared. We have x and x. So 6x cubed minus 2x minus 3x adding to minus 5x squared. Minus 18 plus x is minus 17x plus 6. And that answers question C.